Welcome. In front of me I have the DJI Neo, and I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the drone itself. Anyway, let's just get straight into it. Actually, I guess I don't need a knife, as I can just... Never mind, I do need a knife. Okay, cutting our way in. Probably based on the box you can see that this is a very small drone. Yoink it out. Okay, so that's everything that's in the box. Let's get a look. So in here, I presume we have spare propellers. And yep, so there is two screwdriver and a cable type C to type C. Plop that back in here. Now it looks like we only have two spare propellers. Well, obviously this has four, so you might be missing a couple. Some instructions, a sticker, and well, that's it. And the moisture absorption, and obviously the drone. You can see this is a tiny little fella. So my hand, or let's bring up a phone for comparison. So here is a phone as a comparison. So yeah, it is a pretty small device. And see here, we have our little battery. Obviously boot up. Now taking a look at the specs right here, just a little bit, we have a couple mentions. So we have 135 gram weight for this drone, palm takeoff and landing, AI subject tracking and quick shots, multiple control options, 4K ultra stabilized video, and full coverage propeller guards. And that's about it. Now this is not obviously a drone that you will be flying it kind of like you do normally. This is more for just, for instance, going biking and having it follow you and do stuff like that, I presume, which also will require you to have the application. As you possibly could see in the box, there is no controller that you typically have for the bigger drones, that you have just manual control with the joysticks. So yeah, this is for more like tracking and doing basically quick kind of recordings from up high. So yeah, there we go. And it looks like we have a couple modes right here that you can choose from by just simply pressing the button. And to be completely honest, no clue what each one of them actually stands for, so that's something that you need to check the instruction for, as these images to me are not very clear on what they're supposed to do. So anyway, there we go, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.